What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. We're going to check in on this and give it another feeding. There's a little worm on the coffee filter. Not too much going on with the grapes now. The other day, oh, there it is, I added a little bit of asparagus. So I have a little more asparagus to add. Oh, see all the little baby worms on my fingers and the piece of asparagus? Wow. Okay, so try to get them off without hurting them. So what I want to do is, this is the side that has the least old bedding. I kind of want to incorporate everybody all together, and then I'm going to feed in the middle. So now that everything's mixed up pretty well, I'm going to go to put this more in the middle. And kind of keep putting it in this egg carton. It's breaking down pretty well. So here's those carrot tops, and there's actually a couple small pieces of carrot in there. And then here is the pieces of asparagus. If you check out that community tab I have now, I actually did a picture and showed the asparagus is actually starting to grow right now, so that's cool. So I'll have some fresh asparagus coming up soon. I'll give them their grit. I'm actually going to go ahead and get a new coffee filter, because this one here is pretty much ripped to shreds, and they're doing a good job of starting to eat that. So I'm going to get a new coffee filter and also a little coffee. So there's the coffee. The coffee filter. It's getting better, but I still need just a little bit more moisture. Okay. So there's a quick feeding. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.